that's a good picture. Yeah, so here's the deal. I got this new lens for my camera and it sticks out farther than the old one did. So I thought that would be an occasion to make a new box for it. And I picture something that wraps around in an arc like that. A flat back. This maple veneer is good for that kind of thing. I got this bowl out and it seems like a good match. So I'm going to use that to make a pattern. Kind of eyeball it here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now I can use this as a pattern for bending the sides and for shaping the lid and the bottom. Using the pattern, I cut the bottom out of plywood. The sides are made of mat board that I shape to the curve and laminate. The sides are glued to the bottom and back. Now the veneer, first to the back, then the sides, one piece shaped and glued to the mat board. Then the top edges. I can't resist doing a quick sanding and oiling to admire the grain, and it also shows goofs I've missed, like glue smears. Now the lid. The rim is laminated veneer strips shaped around the box. The base of the lid is plywood. Clamping the veneer, always a challenge. I decided to try making a hinge integrated into the lid. The overhang is just about right. I had to add a sort of ledge to prevent the lid from flipping back too far. I finished with oil and then paste wax with velvet lining inside. Well, here's the completed box. Nice maple veneer. My little custom hinge that I made for the back. Works pretty well. I put cork on the bottom. Makes it seem a little classier that way. Camera's quite happy in there. Got nice blue velvet to keep it company. Cozy. Is okay? All right. Gracias, señor.